Alright, so in this video we're going to be doing jalapeno poppers wrapped with bacon. So what you're going to need is jalapeno peppers, make sure they're decent size, medium size, about this size. Taco seasoning for the ground beef that we're going to put in here. Cream cheese, thin sliced bacon, cheddar cheese, and spices. One other thing, make sure to wear gloves with this. Last thing you want to do is cut all these jalapenos and forget that you were touching jalapenos or you didn't wash your hands good enough, you touch your eye, and it feels like you got maced or OC sprayed by a police officer. You'll be crying like a baby. It'll be very embarrassing in front of your wife. All right, so you're gonna grab your cream cheese, get your pitted jalapenos, just put that bad boy in there. You're just gonna keep doing this until you're done filling them up. Next thing we're gonna do is put whatever meat you wanna put on. So I'm using the taco sauce with the ground beef. You can use leftover brisket or anything like that. Next up is gonna be your shredded cheese. Next thing is gonna be the thin sliced bacon. And with it being thin, it makes it much easier to wrap. And you're not gonna need a toothpick or anything to keep this all together. Look at that. Oh yeah. Last step for the ingredients is gonna be whatever spices you decide to use. So I'm gonna put this on the bacon. All right, so we're taking it to the smoker. And with this, you're gonna keep it at 275. We're really hungry, so we're putting it to 295. At 275, it'll typically take an hour to cook these fully. Obviously, depending on the size of the poppers that you're making. All right, y'all ready for this? Oh. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Little soldiers here. Alright, so 275, I'd say an hour and 15 minutes. With this we did 295 degrees and it was 45 minutes and it was perfect. Now the best part, trying it.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. You guys gotta try this, especially with this spice rub, the sweet and spicy. Has a nice note with the spiciness of the jalapeno. And with the taco seasoned ground beef, and the rich creaminess from the cream cheese really sets it apart. That spicy kick from the jalapeno, the smokiness from the smoker, obviously, the bacon, and then that sweet and spicy aftertaste really sets it apart from the other jalapeno poppers I've ever had. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this out because it's definitely worth trying and it's really quick to do. So see you guys.